you had a private social media page for your company. You could praise your staff, do quizzes, do polls, or post notifications that are important for everyone to see. Enter Microsoft Viva Engage, a tool that's a bit like LinkedIn or Facebook, but for your organization, where you can dish out praise, talk about important notices, as well as do feedback forms or even polls. So to get started, head on over to your Microsoft portal, click on the app launcher, and click on Engage. This should load your Viva Engage page, and you should be able to create new communities or make posts within your existing community. Each person has their own profile. Each person can make their own thoughts and polls and whatever else they want to do. And companies can make announcements within company groups. All very similar to how LinkedIn and Facebook work. So, how are you going to use your intranet within Engage? And dish out praise, conduct surveys and polls, and put up notices. It's like a virtual notice board.